Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to obtain the basic descriptive as well as validity some basic reliability test results. This video is mainly made for the FSQCA data analysis series, and right before you conduct the FSQCA analysis, you need to check each of your construct to see whether they were measured appropriately. So here I have a table of basically all the parameters that you need to check the reliability of your constructs. So in this specific video, I'm just going to show you this how to obtain this first four parameters: the mean, the skewness, the kurtosis, and cronbach alpha. That's a measure. That's the most popular measure of internal validity. Okay, let's get started. So first, obviously, you need a data. Okay, and you need to calculate your variables. Here I already calculated all mine, so I have, let's see, I have B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. These are my variables. So to get the mean, skewness, and kurtosis, we just go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, and you can just click Descriptive. Many people find the frequency button actually more useful than the descriptive button, but I just use the descriptives. Okay, so put all your variables there. Let's see, I got all the way down to K, great. And in the option bottom, make sure you select the kurtosis and skewness and kurtosis. This is skewness, this is kurtosis. Make sure you have those two checked. Alright, click continue. Alright, and okay. So now you're gonna do is to type the mean. Let me see, where's the mean? Okay, mean is here. The mean, the standard deviation. It's usually in the parentheses. And skewness, kurtosis. So this is skewness, this is kurtosis, and just fill up the table here. Let's see. Actually, I can't use this. This is already is already calibrated variable. I can't use that. Let me use the original ones. Oh, they are. No, they're not. These guys are. Okay. So let me throw those in. Oh, once you check those two parameters, SPSS will remember it. So when you come to this analysis the next time, you don't have to check that again. It's a default. Okay, now I have my results, so I'm just gonna fill in. Let's see, grade. The mean for grade is 2.87. Yeah, I used 1 to represent grade 7, 2 to represent grade 8, and 4 and 5 to represent this 2. So 2.87 means that the average grade is between grade 8 and grade 10. The standard deviation is 1.57. Okay. And the second one is 4.85. I believe. I believe this is on a Likert. This was measured on a Likert scale from 1 to 7. So 4.85 is somewhere above the crossover point. So we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have 4 stands in the middle as a crossover point. So this means that this 4.87 means that students generally perceive some sort of parental control of their phone use. let's see, the standard deviation is 1.88, and I'm just gonna go down because I had the shadow selection previously. 5.87. This is 1.97. Alright, you can just gonna continue fill this table. Let me fill some of the skewness and kurtosis here. So this is 0.11, and the kurtosis is negative 1.63. And the next one is negative 0.50, and this is negative 0.93. Okay, alright. So you can just fill this table with the rest of the results, and let me, before the end of this video, let me show you how to obtain a typical measure of internal reliability, which is cronbach alpha. So you go to, you can either add the output window or the data window, it doesn't matter. Just go to analyze, and there's a scale, and there's a reliability. So for this measure, you will find all the indicators of that construct and throw them in to see how well they correlate each other, basically. So for example, if you're one of your variable, like my academic performance, I use the one item indicator. So you cannot, in that case, you cannot calculate the cronbach alpha or any parameters to the right side. So these parameters are really just for measures that contained more than 2 indicators. So the grade is also a one item measure. Parental control is a one item measure. School control is one item measure. Self control, let's see, self control, actually I used a four measure. Let's see, self control, I think these are all okay. So it's a 6 item measurement. Alright, so I'm gonna calculate the cronbach alpha for self control. So let me throw the 6 items into the item box, and the default is alpha. And in the statistics, if you want to get like other indicators of internal reliability, that's fine, but you don't have to. Okay, so just click OK. Alright, and here we go. You got cronbach alpha right here, and it shows you how many items you use to calculate the cronbach alpha. Alright, thank you very much for watching this video. In the next video, I'll show you how to obtain other measures of reliability, and see you next video.